In a food processor, add the parsley and garlic and pulse until they're roughly chopped. Add the lemon zest, olive oil, honey, salt and pepper, and pulse until combined. Rub the marinade all over the chicken and under the skin. Place the chicken on the cooler side of the grill and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Give it a quarter turn and cook for another 8 minutes. Flip and repeat until the chicken is fully cooked through and moist. Once cooked, allow to rest for about 8 minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy!